Mom? 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 Oh my God. Nice. Hello guys, okay. Today, we're gonna trade again and we're here at Ethereum. 5 minutes time frame. And let's gonna use indicators. Kane, Zalgo, Vito, Alpha. And then maghihintay ulit tayo ng signal bago tayo mag-buy or sell. So tamang hintay lang tayo guys bago tayo mag-buy or sell. Hintayin na natin. Ayun guys, may signal na buy, so we gonna buy. Okay, let's buy 1,000. Tingnan natin yan. Nice, nice, up, nice, 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 no, up.